Why the fuck all these people's always gotta camp, man? It's always pissing me off and shit. Always hiding in the corner. Oh my god, see again.
I own you!
Fucking
I
niggas
own you! I own you!
hiding in the
I
corner.
own you! I own you!
Yeah. Every day I see campers hiding in corners, hiding up in buildings, hiding in trees.